Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. This episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about tape. But first, I'd just like to remind everybody, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below. All right, tape. Some of you are going to think I'm talking, oh, he's talking duct tape. Others are going to go masking tape. Others will say Scotch tape. Well, I'm talking about them all and a few more as well. Tape is something you need to have a lot of, and there's a lot of different types of tape. You know, there's duct tape, the silver stuff, then there's some different colored ones. Then there are some those heavy duty, like the Gorilla tape that's 4 inches wide, and it's you can remove all the hair off the back of your leg there with one pull. Scotch tape for packages, gifts, shipping packages. They're talking to 3/4 inch wide, to 3/4 inch wide, the 2-inch wide tape. There is masking tape, painter's tape, electrical tape, and probably the biggest tape that most people have forgotten nowadays because they're using everything else but it. That's your paper tape with the gum on it, or the glue on it that you get wet and you stick it on your cardboard boxes and you seal it up and it locks the cardboard box closed. The stuff they use that has the little fibers in it, so it doesn't, tear easy, your Amazon box tape. Yeah. Well, you can still get that stuff in the office supply section at Wally World or Office Depot or Office Max, and that's a tape that most people, forget about. They try putting on, using a 2-inch, Scotch packing tape and stuff, but sometimes that stuff doesn't stick very well, and that's why I prefer to use myself the wide paper tape that has the gum on it. You just run a damp cloth across it and just stick it on there, and it glues on there, and it doesn't come off easily. So whatever type tape you need, if it says tape, get extra of it. Oh, I forgot one very important one. Teflon tape for any of you doing any type of plumbing work. So Teflon tape is another one. Get your tapes, make sure you have plenty of them, because if there is going to be a supply shortage, you don't want to be cut short on tape. All righty? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.